This is a little song that I like to sing. I'm not the greatest singer in the world, but just like to dabble a little bit. So here we go. Never met a man quite like you. You do all you can, making my dreams come true. You're strong and you're smart. You've taken my heart, and I give you the rest of me too. You're the perfect man for me. I love you, I do. I love you. I never ever felt love like this. Good about myself from my very first kiss. I'm here with you, call, 'cause you got it all. And comfort is like I never knew. You're the perfect man for me. I love you, I do. You got a charm, you simply disarm me every time. As long as you drive, I'm along for the ride your way. I said it before, there won't be a door that's close to us. I'm putting all my trust in you, 'cause you always be true. I never could have known that this would be you and yeah, all for me. I know you're the best. You passed every test. It's almost too good to be true. You're the perfect man for me. I love you, I do. You're the perfect